Hey guys, so this week's video we are going to be sharing with you our experience of apartment hunting as we're moving out together. Woo!
We're leaving London town.
Yeah, we're currently sat in traffic on the motorway driving down to Brighton. We're moving to Brighton.
Now I'm going to be late.
Hopefully not late, because I would never be late. So we're moving to Brighton because we both really love the city. Like, I went to university in Brighton. I studied at Sussex University for 4 years.
I can walk around and no one's judging me for who I am, which I feel like you do get a lot of evil eyes in London, as much as I do love the city.
Yeah, I need to remember what my face looks like whilst you're talking, because I'm just like this. So Brighton is like the gay capital of the UK. It's such a like welcoming city. We went to Brighton Pride. It was literally sick. Like, it was so fun. The flat that we're looking at today is a ground floor garden flat, which is really exciting because one of our things that we wanted is a garden, or like not even like a garden, just like an outside space. Super exciting that we can finally both live together. Been together for coming up to a year, and it just feels like the natural next step to make. Like, we spend literally every single day together, pretty much.
Our parents are getting a bit annoyed at
Yeah,
this point.
like both of our parents are ready for us to move out. Our long-term plan with this is really to sharing our story with you guys of like what it's like living as a lesbian couple in Brighton and the travels that we're gonna go on, that kind of thing.
I feel like our end goal is to genuinely be able to travel and just do this.
Yeah.
We want to share our life with all of you. If we're going to bake a cake, you're going to bake that cake with us.
I'm really good at cooking, so it's basically going to become a cooking channel. No, joking.
Why you always lying?
We just want to work from our laptop on a beach, shaking our ass on a yacht. If you want to see that video, then please subscribe. See you when we are inside the house. So we have made it to Brighton.
I should talk about the first apartment.
Yeah, oh my god. The first apartment that we were so excited about, that we thought was so perfect. Wait, should we sit down and have Prosecco and chat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I need to put the pasta on.
But we're going to put the pasta on first.
It's actually really nice lighting.
Yeah, I know, it's cute, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm in my underpants.
Okay guys, this was the worst example of false advertisement in the world. And the house that we saw,
I know what we're talking about now.
it was so horrible.
Yeah, it was basically, to explain the story, I don't know if we said it in the car, but we called because we're an hour and a half away.
I called 3 times to ask the same question.
To ask different people, is this, we are 100% sure it's not a lower ground flat. Now, this is not us just being picky. Our one main factor is we need a lot of light, because our jobs are content creation. We need daylight.
Yeah, I literally said we need like natural light and big open space. It was just horrible. It was like a dark dungeon. It was a lower ground flat, which I literally asked, is it, so many times, and they said no, ground floor. Then as soon as we got there, and it was so stressful getting parking because it was right like in central Brighton, as soon as we got there we literally walked down the steps and I was like, why did you bring us here? Yeah, I was literally like, I knew it was. They must have literally edited the photos to look different.
It didn't, like in the photos, yeah, it didn't look like the lightest place, but
I thought it looked quite light.
It looked pretty light.
It had massive windows.
And we walked into what we can only describe as a dungeon.
Literally, and even there's the lady. Oh god, if the lady who watches
She
this,
won't see this.
So basically, the lady who lived there was there. She was really nice, but she was moving from Brighton back to London, and we were just like, fair play. This, I would get depression from this house.
I would think Brighton's a
like,
shithole.
it was meant to be like a sunny garden ground floor flat, and it was like a lower ground dungeon in the middle of town. Like, nah.
It was like, there's one little sun trap over there. There's a garden that's probably only like 10 metres by 5 metres.
Yeah.
In one corner there was sun.
But we had got 3 viewings for tomorrow.
Wait.
Woo! We got 3 viewings for tomorrow and 1 on Saturday. So hopefully there will be one that we like, that has some light in it.
Gonna go in with high hopes that possibly the light gets through still, or there's good lighting from the back of it.
Yeah.
But it is really stressful. We've probably spent a month's rent on Airbnbs coming down to see flats.
That's so true. That's what's making me tomorrow. I'm trying to not be emotional about it, because tomorrow I'm like, one of these must be suitable. Have you got that in your head?
I've got that in my head, but at the same time I'm also like, yeah, it isn't a rash decision, because over the year you spend so much money there.
You're going to be here for so long. But the thing is, we're moving at like the worst possible time because we're moving when all of the university students are looking for places to stay and everybody's like just graduated, so they're looking for a place. But you couldn't really do anything because Kate's finishing her apprenticeship. And
yeah, so I've been working in sales for the last like 2 years to get an apprenticeship to get a degree. And so I'm finally coming up to the end of it, and the end is in sight. It's literally next week is my final assessment, then I just have to wait for the grade. But yeah, been working hard to get out of it because I really want to be able to do this full time with Millie, just be able to live in our apartment, make content together, travel the world, which is the journey that we're going to take you on.
Love you more. Right, we're going to have some dinner. We're having salad, fake chicken and some stuffed pasta, so that's gonna be nice.
We are planning on going out tonight. Is that a dumb idea?
Going out tonight with our viewings tomorrow. Yeah,
we've got all of our viewings tomorrow.
We might not go out, but realistically we're gonna go out.
We're partiers.
Yeah. But it's quite cute because as a couple we're able to go out together and have fun. Like I feel like both of us have been with people who you can't really go out with. You kind of
There's
go
always
out.
a problem.
Yeah,
like,
but even like friendship groups mixing and stuff like that, like both of us are quite social, we get on with everyone.
We get on with everyone, and our friends actually get on.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So
that's a bit too well.
We're going to Ibiza with Millie's best friend and my brother, who is like one of my close friends, and like his friends and my friends.
Actually, yeah, I
like,
didn't do that.
They do really get on. Like,
yeah,
it's good. How many times am I gonna say like?
Okay, guys. So we did end up going out, and this has happened.
What has happened? Lesson 1 of being an adult. You cannot put fairy liquid or washing up liquid into a dishwasher in replacement of the tablets they use. All it does is explode. We're still getting some out.
I think me and Kate are definitely ready to be adults, because if I was here that wouldn't have happened. Like Kate just decided to do that on her own. I'm joking. I literally said it's a good idea. We got our house viewings today. Kate's just had her meeting for her apprenticeship, for her presentation, so that's the last bit that she needs to do before she can leave that job and then go and do social media full time, which is the plan for when we move out. We're going to take you with us on our journey to finding the perfect flat for us to live in. Yeah.
They see in the front of the sink.
That's it.
Phone we previously removed. Oh no, it's stuck to me now. Guys, we are just leaving now to go to our first house viewing, one of 3 today.
Our second house viewing, because obviously we told you about the worst house viewing of our lives, which the house has literally gone off the market. So whoever is living in that house, I'm very sorry for you. Like, you are probably gonna develop depression over the winter months. Yeah. Probably in the summer as well, because it was literally
still dark.
It's like 30 degrees, so sunny, middle of the day when we looked at it, and it was pitch black.
Yeah, it's
so
ridiculous.
Dark. To be fair, this is the Airbnb that we're staying in. We should do a little tour of the Airbnb, but we'll do that when we're back. It's also really dark, so yeah, we just want natural light.
What's all over my face?
Nothing. My face looks like that as well. That's why I said my makeup looked really bad.
God. Okay, all right. Yeah, basically.
What are you talking about?
There's like red here.
There isn't red in real life, but that's what. Can you see what mine looks like as well?
Yeah, that's weird. Right, so we're leaving now because we are literally going to be late. We're going to drive down to the first place and try and find some parking. What are you doing?
Just showing my leg because it's sore.
Yeah. Yeah.
Back to me.
I started to move you. Like,
yeah.
Here's my leg. Right, okay. Let's go because we're going to be late.
The spider. Okay.
Let's go.
Bye. So as I'm editing this, I'm just like, what was that on our faces? Like all the red around our lips. And I realised that I was literally wearing the, what's it called? The Too Faced like stingy lip gloss. I can't remember what it's called, but it's that one that when you put it on, it like really stings your lips and it's meant to make them look bigger. But obviously then me and Kate kissed, and then it's gone all around our lips, and it only got worse. Like as we went to the appointments, we were thinking like, do we have like a rash around our lips? And it was that. It's actually so embarrassing that we didn't realise it at the time. But anyways, that's what it was.
Whoa. Okay.
Okay,
so
this is just a shot of my tits.
Excuse the lighting and everything, but this is just an exciting moment.
God,
we are putting in an offer for the flat that we really want. Right now on Sunday we're putting in an offer. It'll be sent off to the landlord tomorrow, Monday, for the most beautiful apartment I have ever seen. Maybe we'll talk about that in a little bit, but I just wanted to capture this little moment before we send off.
There's 10 people applying as well.
10 people applying for this apartment.
Yeah.
So we've written
we don't know whether we'll get it, but if we get it, you guys are going to get some sick content because the lighting,
it's incredible.
The sunsets, you can literally see right onto the beach. It's so beautiful.
We're looking forward to sharing it with you because we're manifesting.
We are
that
manifesting.
It's going to be ours. But yeah, an exciting moment. Let's send the offer off.
Ah!
See you soon. Bye.